G'day lads, it's Lonely Chicken here, and today, as you can see here, we've got my first Mailfinds. Yes. Alright, so I'm just going to unbox these and let you find out what they are. I don't have much else to say apart from these are the first die-cast vehicles that I've bought online. I thought I'd do it collectively all in one video because they all shipped within the week and they're like coming all together in a clump sort of thing, even though they're from different parts of Australia. Bought it off eBay, as you might be able to see there. eBay for the boys.
Hanging with the boys!
So I will start off with the one that came first, which is this one here. Good old blocking it out. We'll just open this up and get into it.
The boys!
Open it up. Beautiful. All of these peanuts for one car. Oh, and the car's even got its own peanut. That's truly beautiful. That is. Let's put that aside. And we'll open up this. I love me good old Mailfind, even though I've never had one before. Take it out there. Got another peanut. And look at this, it's wrapped in tissue as well. So they've obviously care about their product. Because it's a loose car, as you can tell. What car is it going to be? Can you tell by that? Well, you can tell by that. Look at that. I'm missing this car from my collection. And I reckon $20 was too much for it. So I found one for, I think it was $14 and snatched it up while I could. And I'm happy with that decision because this is really good. I wonder how it smells. It doesn't smell too bad. It smells like someone else's house. But that is really nice. I love me some Aussie cars. By the way, all of these are Australian cars if you didn't know. Well, you'll find out. But that's a big clue for the next car. So I'll put this over there. By the way, this is a Holden Maloo. Let's see if it says it on the bottom. Yeah, it says down there. It says Holden Ute. Because that's what we call pickup trucks in Australia. Call them utes. So the next one, just pick this one. This one here, it's got 3 cars in it, I believe. Or maybe it's the other one. So I'm just going to randomly go at this.
20 minutes later.
Oh, here we go. I love this stuff. And that's what we got. We have got some beautiful cars in here. First off, we got this really old-looking Matchbox Ford Falcon taxi, which I think looks pretty cool, especially the fact that it's still got a roll cage in it for a taxi. So that's pretty cool sort of stuff there. I'm just trying to see if I can see what's on the back here. Oh, you got a Nissan as another option. There's a Ford F-150, Falcon taxi. I wonder what the Falcon looks like. Anyway, Holden panel van, that would have been cool to get. But, there's one of them. Here, we have a Matchbox limited edition 1997 Ford Australian Open. So that's the date there. And this one looks like it might even have rubber wheels on it, like it's got some special sort of wheel thing going on there. That's really cool because it's got the windows on each side, so I might even leave this one in the package. But look at this. Caution, contains small parts, not suitable for children under 36 months. That's how they used to do it. Anyway, final one. It's a Holden. We've got the, I think it's a Holden. I think it's Holden Commodore. Sydney 2000 Olympics. Matchbox doing a good old special car for the time. So this is from the 2000s. I've got another piece of that packaging, but that's cool. So there's 3 more cars. And then the final car is over here. This one should be pretty easy to get to, because it's just an eBay bag. Or not. This is great. I love the protection that's going into all of this shipping. It's like bulging out of the side there. Wants to escape. How do I open this? Let's see. I got it there. There we go. There we go. Here we go. This one is interesting. I don't even know this existed. Good old slip. No, this one, I'm not even sure if this is Hot Wheels scale. 1/64. Looks like it is, but it's actually a Hot Wheels. This is a Hot Wheels Holden Commodore. And I found it online and I was like, that is actually beautiful. I had no idea it existed. But look, it even has this thing on the back telling you that they're happy that you bought their product, because why not? It's always good when you buy someone else's product, or when someone buys your product, you know, get good stuff for it. So that's cool. These three. And then I got the good old loose chute, which came with its little display case even, you might call it. So that's my first mail find. I'm excited about this, but you can't tell by my tone of voice because it's late at night and I'm supposed to be in bed. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm the Lonely Chicken. Bye-bye.
It's the Lonely Chicken.